Welcome back. Officials at a national lab in Texas are now searching for a missing vial that contains a deadly virus.
They say there's no indication of wrongdoing and the public is not in danger, but as ABC's David Curley reports, it raises questions about laboratory security.
It is a small frozen vial that contains a potentially deadly virus. And one of those vials here at the University of Texas is missing. It's a virus from a mouse that can cause hemorrhagic fever and could be used in a terror attack. Officials believe the vial was discarded during cleaning and poses no risk. But this news comes on the very same day that government investigators in a new report question lab management in our country. The Texas lab is one of 13 operating or planned in the U.S. with the highest designation, level 4. They house the baddest bugs out there, smallpox, anthrax, and Ebola. There are more than 1,400 level 3 labs in our country, too. And over a 6-year period in the entire country, only one vial was lost, believed destroyed in shipping. But there were more than 600 separate releases of an agent inside labs, 11 lab workers sickened. Those government investigators are calling for much more oversight, saying there is no single federal agency responsible for these labs and no national standards on how to build a lab.
In my mind, this is not a crisis, but it is a wake-up call. It's a call for greater action and coordinated action.
Coordinated to keep these deadly viruses secure. David Curley, ABC News, Washington.
It's incredible that these labs that have to do with so many deadly viruses, there's no oversight. How does that happen?
Absolutely. I mean, I think that's kind of crisis-like. A lot of people say, what are some of the viruses even doing in these laboratories?
Right.
But if they're going to be there for crying out loud, you better have oversight and they better not be missing.
Right. And, you know, they're probably there because we're trying to figure out how to fix them, how to deal with them if there ever is an outbreak, but you don't lose vials if you're trying to figure out how to deal with an outbreak, because that can cause an outbreak.
Yeah.